This video will show you how to locate some important features of the City Library website. Let's begin. The most commonly used feature on the library website is this, City Library Find. You can simply enter your search term, and City Library Find will search across our entire print, DVD and online collection, including most of the content in our database collection. In these results we have books, videos, articles, dissertations and more. To make the most of the library search system, you can sign into your library account. You do this by clicking Sign In, or locate the My Library Account button on the library homepage. Once you are logged in, you can save search queries and results to view later. Check and renew your loans, and view and manage your requests. Let's return to the library homepage to look at a few more features. Use course reserves to locate core texts for subjects, which are available for short-term loan. Hong Kong All allows you to search the collections of other UGC-funded libraries in Hong Kong. On the Database tab, you can locate one of our hundreds of subscribed databases using the alphabetical list, or you can search for a specific database. You can also browse by subject. This is a good place to start if you are using the databases for the first time. And finally, you can search within our research guides, online help sources compiled by librarians to help you through the research process. One of the other menus you may use often throughout the semester is the Services menu. Under Borrowing, use the Loans and Renewals link to find out how many items you can borrow. To book computers and equipment or rooms in the library, visit the Facilities menu. Here you can book an individual study carrel, a group study room, a computer workstation, 3D scanning and VR facilities, the Icon workstation, and the mini theater. Use the Teaching and Learning tab to access our Ask a Librarian service and research guides, or to find information about orientation classes and library workshops where you can learn about using the library resources for your research. Under About Us, you can find the opening hours of the library and our contact details. And finally, if you would like to receive news and updates from the library, sign up for our newsletter, or find us on social media. To find out more about any of the features highlighted in this video, visit our research guides or you can contact us for help. Thank you for watching.